Welcome back to Fox Weather Philly. I'm meteorologist Kathy Orr. I hope you enjoyed that field trip to Dalton Farms. Always fun to see what's going on there. And it's always a spectacular sight when you see acres of these beautiful flowers. We had to talk a little bit about the local weather because we have a weather maker, an actual cold front that's approaching from the Midwest, but there's showers ahead of it. And that's just going to be more of a nuisance than anything else. So let's take a quick look outside. It's cloudy across the Delaware Valley. Bob Kelly gave me a buzz and said, hey, there's some showers going on out here in Chester County. Chester County seeing a few spotty showers, the same in Delco, the same even in Philadelphia, but more of a light shower sprinkle than anything else. So right now, cloudy skies, Philadelphia 68, Reading 62, Media, Delaware County at 67. I mean, we have not seen temperatures in the 60s in quite some time. Overnight, lows in the 50s and 60s. So we're going to have the cloud cover. So that will not allow temperatures to really plunge overnight. So they'll stay on the higher side. And then during the day tomorrow, grab that cup of coffee, cloudy skies expected, temperatures in the 50s and 60s again. It was cool this morning. I went for a morning run and you could feel the chill. But then by midday, not so bad. So right now we're 68 in Philadelphia, Doylestown 66, in Trenton it is 66, and even in Hamilton, a little bit on the milder side, down through Millville and also Dover, we're in the upper 60s where we have not seen any sprinkles just yet. So that remains to be seen. But through Westchester we have, Kennett Square we have, that's why temperatures are only in the mid 60s. Phoenixville at 62, so definitely on the cooler side in our northern western suburbs with those spotty showers. Speaking of sunflowers, these look like the Van Gogh sunflowers. By tomorrow, we're talking about temperatures 6 degrees below normal. Again, a day much like today. A few spotty showers are possible, just like we saw today. And those temperatures are going to be at least 6 degrees below average after being well above normal. That tide is definitely turning across the Delaware Valley. Got to get out there, water the mums, water your plants Tuesday. You can skip watering Wednesday when we expect more showers. And I would still water your flowers outside and your lawn if you are still caring for it on Thursday, because Thursday morning there is a chance we could see a few showers. And then after that, it begins to dry out. The weekend looks good, but there's a little bit of a wild card, and that wild card is tropical moisture, and it's something we're going to talk about a lot on Fox 29 News tonight at 5 o'clock. First, here's our 3-day forecast. You can see temperatures in the 70s the next couple of days, close to 80 by Thursday, and then the weekend looks great, but Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday, we have that question mark, tropical moisture, and the reason why there is a tropical system that's down through just to the east of the Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. And you can see it down there spinning in the Caribbean. It is 340 miles southeast of the western tip of Cuba. It is potential tropical cyclone 9, and this is forecast to be tropical storm and then Hurricane Helene. So right now it looks far from the mainland U.S., but it really isn't. It's 30-mile-an-hour winds. It's moving north at 6 miles an hour. Now, 6 miles an hour is not a fast pace. That's a slow-moving system, but it is expected to enter into the Gulf of Mexico with all that warm tropical water, gain some strength, and actually strengthen into potentially a major hurricane. So right now, we're going to watch this front come through by Wednesday. But all that moisture is going to be moving up from the south, and this is how it's going to happen. We're going to watch as the storm system progress right between Cuba and the Yucatan Peninsula as a Category 1 storm, and then it's going to progress after Wednesday and potentially make landfall along the Big Bend of Florida or the Panhandle as a Category 2 storm Thursday, and then all that moisture goes in the Midwest by Saturday. So we have to keep a careful eye on how this could potentially affect our weather. It will be what's called a remnant low. It could be caught up in the flow of a front that's coming eastward, and that would mean the chance of some showers, some tropical moisture moving into our region. Saturday, maybe even Friday, more clouds and some tropical humidity. It is far through the Midwest, but there is potential for a front to come in and then push that moisture eastward. If that happens, then it could rain on our parade, unfortunately, for Sunday, maybe even into Monday. So we're definitely going to keep a careful eye on that as we get a little bit closer. Right now, the weekend looks good, but that tropical moisture is definitely the wild card into bringing more of a, I would say, dim, cloudy, humid, and maybe showery Sunday into Monday. So we'll keep a careful eye on that. In the meantime, our time is up, and coming up next, our Bill Anderson with Fox 29 Live. Of course, he's going to have our favorite segment, What's for Dinner, and I got a sneak peek. It's dessert, which is my favorite. We'll see you on Fox 29 Live and back here tomorrow with Tuesdays with Tony. Have a great day.